In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to the old Outlook. Many users prefer the classic version for its functionality and familiar interface. If you're lucky, you may have the option to switch back to the old Outlook at the top right corner of your screen. However, some users may not see this option. If you don't have the option to switch back directly, follow these steps to install the old Outlook manually. First, close Outlook completely. Now, if you have a new Windows installation on your computer, it's likely that the new Outlook is pre-installed and the classic version isn't available. In that case, you'll need to download and install the old Outlook manually. To do this, open a browser on your system and type Install Classic Outlook for Windows Microsoft Community into the search bar, then press Enter. Click on the first Microsoft Community link that appears in the search results. This will take you to a Microsoft support page. Scroll down until you find the download option for the classic Outlook. Click on the download button and the Microsoft 365 setup file will begin downloading to your device. Once the file is downloaded, double-click on it to start the installation process. If you have a previous version of Microsoft Office installed on your computer, you'll need to uninstall it first before proceeding. If you don't have any previous version installed, the new setup will proceed without issues. After the installation is complete, open the search bar on your computer and type Outlook. You should see two options, Outlook New and Outlook Classic. The new version is the one that came pre-installed with Windows, while Outlook Classic is the older version you just installed. Click on Outlook Classic to open it. When you open it for the first time, it will inform you that you can use it for 5 days for free. If you want to use it beyond the trial period, you'll need to purchase a Microsoft 365 subscription. Click on the Buy Microsoft 365 option and you will be redirected to a purchase page. On this page, you can choose to pay annually or monthly, depending on your preference, and that's how you can switch back to the old Outlook.